Want to find your phone contacts on Instagram? Here's how to sync contacts and discover people you already know. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right. Select Account Center. Scroll down and tap your information and permissions. Now tap Upload Contacts. Choose your Instagram account. Turn on Connect Contacts. A pop-up will appear. Tap Settings. You'll be redirected to your phone settings. Tap Contacts. Select Full Access and allow it. Go back to your Instagram profile. Tap Following. Scroll down and tap Discover People. Here you'll see people from your phone contacts who are on Instagram. And that's it. That's how to sync and find contacts on Instagram. Subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.